Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Six of Fire, Eight of Earth and Ace of Fire. So in your situation, guys, Libras, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are moving to a new circumstance today, guys. Maybe that new phase of understanding. You are giving up your shyness, your inhibition in this relationship. You are being more open. You want this connection to work and you want to build a beautiful understanding, and you love this person. You want to understand them. And that is the reason you are moving towards them with more openness. You want to tell them everything and know more about them, curious about this person. And you are building your trust with this person. Maybe you are, building a strong foundation on truth and faith in this love, guys. And you have your intuition guiding you and you feel really inspired, confident when you are with this person. So this relationship gives you, makes you more balanced, harmonious, and you feel peace of mind and happiness, and you are dreaming for this love, for this person, and you feel that you can do anything to be with them. You are willing to do anything to be with them, make this relationship work. So you are extremely confident, feeling inspired, and you are greatly attracted to their beauty and charm. So this person is radiating a positive inspiration towards you. They have a positive influence on you, guys. So that is the reason you love to be with them. You feel really happy, harmonious to be with this person, and they are your greatest inspiration, making you confident, making you dream big, and you both share great dreams together, and you are dreaming about your future together. And just like you are interested, this person is also interested in you, guys. So I see this may be a karmic connection for you all, guys, Libras. That is the reason we see this level of connection, a deeper level of connection and understanding you both share. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Libras, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, So now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided, and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun, where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness. So you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.